Brett and I both agree it's probably a good idea to take the truck camper out for a test run since we leave for the camping trip in a week. And that's just what I'm gonna do. Okay, let me shove some stuff away. I'll show you how easy it is to set this up. Dang, so because this is sliding terribly out because I forgot to fix the bed frame, the storage frame, so it takes up too much space. Okay, so it takes up too much space. Oh, that's not. I should have put the handles on. Note to self. Do not leave exposed nails underneath the bed frame. Not nails, screws. Because you will slice your hand up real good. Okay. That's the bed, I think, put together. And it's not completely broken, which sounds like it would be awesome, only it's like not that cool right now. I think that's pretty good. Alright, so it is currently 12:10. It's supposed to storm. There's definitely some lightning happening out in the distance. I got a drink with some ice from the cooler. It's still plugged into the truck. I got a little portable charger. I'm on 2 bars, so hopefully I can keep my phone charged until I fall asleep. It's pretty hot in here. I'm going to turn the lights out here. That way I don't attract attention. Hopefully I'm going to make it. My goal is to make it to like 7 o'clock. Like 7 a.m. So, pretty scrunched up right now. Not because I don't fit. Just because the phone, like the camera is on the bed and everything. And I don't want to be out of frame. So, definitely broke a few things. Gotta admit that. But hopefully I can get things fixed. And we won't have any more issues moving forward. We haven't, like, no more time. There's like a week yet till, like this Saturday. Oh yeah. All right. I'm gonna turn the lights out. I'm gonna play on my phone for a little bit. And I'm gonna go to sleep. And then hopefully in the morning I'll pack all this up. I'll show you what it looks like me trying to put stuff away, all hunched over in here. Yeah, all right. A lot of thunder happening and a fair amount of lightning. I have a feeling the rain's gonna start soon. Okay. I'm gonna close the window before it gets wet in here. You can kind of see some of the drips on the cab. Oh. Anyway, so wish me luck, because I was not anticipating rain tonight. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. I guess ultimate test or whatever before we go to Acadia, because apparently Acadia's gonna keep seeing rain forecasted. So hopefully, fingers are crossed. I was just about to fall asleep too, so now I'm gonna be nervous. But my fingers are crossed. It is very hot. Definitely going to need to make new shades. It's just not good enough. These are temporary. So yeah, it's really starting to come down, and I think it's supposed to thunderstorm until like 1:30. I screen recorded the forecast, so I'll show you guys kind of the slider. Morning. I slept pretty good. It's 5 a.m. right now. Definitely rained. Everything outside is wet. I got bit by a few bugs. So, getting like a little bug zapper / attractant thing will probably be a must. I'm gonna put the bed away and head home. First night in the camper went pretty decent. I'm pretty happy. I gotta fix the stuff I broke. But other than that, it went well.